asparagus。
不能录音吗？
1, 2, 3.
Mushroom。
Welcome to Natural Beauty Adventure, guys. In this video after lunch we are going to the Changhua Glass Factory. Hope you're gonna enjoy this video, so don't forget to like and share.
但是它有点黄黄，因为它热。那冷了之后就会就是透前后。我们刚从炉子里面捞出来，透明的玻璃看起来都是橘色的。
哥哥，
等一下再录。拿这600多块。喂，喂，他写说禁止进入小朋友，出来。No entry, no.
There says no entry, don't go there. Wait, big. So here's different kind of glasses. It's beautiful. Dinosaurs.
那个你刚吃的在这里，你刚在海边有没有捞到这个啊？你看啊，捞到这个什么色的？捞到这个什么色的？
Glasses. And here making windmill, some birds, crabs. Oh, there's a lot of glasses. Some animal, like a grasshopper, and many ants or area or made of grasshoppers. So, very beautiful pieces. It's amazing. And some of the mirror here. So it's very beautiful glass factory. I think I come here before, but only just to see down area, not this all. So here, made of the glass tree, skeleton, big, some chicken here, and map of Taiwan, some animals, some jars, different kind of the birds here. So there's many different kind of birds. Different type of bottle here. It's quite interesting.
这种是不大，这是弥勒佛。
对，弥勒佛，你好厉害，你知道弥勒佛？妈妈的老鼠。
Elephant.
It's
Black proof?
a proof gun shoot.
Oh, black proof.
Yeah, so it's 12 meter. 19 gun and 5 boom 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 boom. And it's 10 meter 6. And it's 15 to 3. Yes.
Oh, that's cool. And some flower jar. Mad. And here also some birds. Dragon. Nature. Buddhist. It's really beautiful flower here. They make very beautiful, like a child and a mother. Beautiful sculpture. Some deers, horse, grasshoppers, some deers, and here's making the farms, the watering horse. And this one is very beautiful. Looks more realistic. Here you guys showing different bowl and some like a fish. It's very beautiful sculptures they make here. It's amazing. Very beautiful. They use the gas to make the fiber wings long. So this looks more realistic.
All made by
Wow.
awesome. It's all made by glass.
Cool. It's a beautiful flower. Fishes, fish, tortoise. Here are some mirrors and one shirt made of glasses. I think that is used for the perfume. So some jar. Some like a car headlighters, a juicing machine, and yeah, so automation. And here is also a beautiful wall. There's many beautiful structure right here. Wow, inside.
Yeah.
House.
They made this one first and made the bubble and put it inside. Then made another one.
Made of glasses. Yeah, that's right. Really big.
Come on, man.
Glass Taipei. Meaning in. Wow. Move. Annette.
那你给那个叔叔看。
有好多个你们呢。
谢谢。This is very interesting. These glasses changing according. And here is some. It's not a made of glass, it's made of the words, like some speaker look like.
My soul taking flight, the warmth of the the sun, the softness of rain in Taiwan's arms. I let go of pain.
Now your turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, do this. Yellow.
Yes.
Life in Taiwan, your beauty unfolds.
Yes, yeah. Here, it's your turn. Blue. Oh, your turn. Orange. Okay, your turn. Orange. Yeah. Purple.
Yes.
Yeah. Yellow.
不算，因为它刚才有用到这个再一次。
Green.
三。
So you were been here?
No. We never been. Just there.
The temple made by glass.
Oh, everything is.
Yeah, the built is by glass.
Oh,
Yeah. So the roof
it's also glass.
Yeah. 아, 못했어. 오. So in the night, it will shine.
Oh, the different colors.
Yeah. So in the night, it's very beautiful.
Oh.
Đấy, ta cũng muốn sổ bay chưa? Không sổ bay.
Glass temple guys, made of at the night time it's become more colorful because they use a different colors here, so it's a very beautiful colors. And also guys, there's different boxes, people throwing the money here. They'll try to throw it. People throwing the money here guys. So that's all. The rooftop is made of the glasses, and you can see the different lights here. So it's very beautiful.